Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video we will discuss about the angular pipe. So angular pipe is basically used to transform the data into a specific format before displaying them to the end user. Using the pipe operator, we can apply the pipe feature to any of property in Angular application. In Angular, we have two types of pipe, built-in pipe and custom pipe. Angular provides several built-in pipe that you can use out of the box to transform data into your template. So first is date pipe. Format a date value into a specific format. Uppercase pipe. Convert a string to uppercase. Lowercase pipe. Convert a string to a lowercase. Currency pipe. Format a number as a currency using the specified currency code and locale. Decimal pipe. Format a number with the decimal places according to the provided precision. Let's jump into the code and play around with built-in pipe. For interest of time, I have already created an Angular application. Now I am creating a public variable current date to show current date in HTML template. By using the interpolation, we are binding the current date variable value to the heading. As of now, we have not used date pipe, that's why date is not showing in proper format. Let's use date pipe and save the changes. Here we go. Now date showing in format way. You can also pass the value as a parameter to the pipe. Like in date pipe, we can pass the format in a string format in which format we want to display the date. I have passed ddmmyy format. Let's save the changes and see what we will get. Now date is displaying in ddmmyy format. Now let's try to use uppercase pipe. For that we have to convert this text into the string format. Let's use upper pipe. Save the changes. So it converted the whole text into the uppercase. Let's try to use lowercase pipe, which is similar to the lowercase. Only difference is it converts the text into the lowercase. Save the changes and let's see on the browser. So it converted the whole text into the lowercase. Now we will try to use currency pipe. I am creating a public variable currency and assign 60 as a value into this variable. And bind this variable to the heading and save the changes. So it displaying 60 in the our application page. Let's use currency pipe and pass USD as a parameter because I want to show the amount in dollar. Let's save the changes. So it display the amount in dollar format. Let's try to pass INR as a parameter to show the amount in Indian rupees. Let's save the changes and check on the browser one more time. Here we go. Now it displaying the amount in Indian rupees. That's all from this video. See you guys in next video. Bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.